Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 2025 as well as 2026 pass out batch. So first important opportunity from the EY, they are hiring the associate analyst. Okay, and salary range is competitive. So job posted is 22 Jan 2026. Talking about a little bit more about that, you can go through all things. So you will basically work on risk management service. Okay, and the job role is associate analyst or analyst. Okay, coming to little bit more, you can go through the complete job and description. I will provide all the link in the description, and these will be your key responsibility. Talking about technical expertise, so you will basically responsible for building good understandability and ability to interpret client company structures, build working knowledge of different internal independence and financial tools and system, and you will work on this. So these are the skills and attributes required, and who are eligible. So graduate, master, postgraduate, preferably in finance domain, they are eligible for this. And if you have some basics or intermediate knowledge of MS Office, that is Outlook, MS Word, Excel, then this is a good opportunity and everyone should apply, especially 2025 and 2024 pass out batch, you should apply. Coming to next important hiring, that is from the Wipro, and this is a kind of referral hiring for fresher entry level. Work mode is hybrid, 3-day work from office, and if you want, then just basically ask for referral in the LinkedIn, and job title is junior engineer and job location is Pune, Maharashtra. So mandatory skills, you should have M3 Java. Okay, and if you are interested, then you can ask for your referral and you can apply. Okay, coming to next important opportunity for from the Bangalore region, they are hiring freshers and Java developer, means role will be Java developer, and this is back from office. So B.Tech and M.Tech, and these all are eligible. Currently they are looking for tier 1 and tier 2 institute, but if you are from other college too, then you should apply. Okay, they might prefer, but keep applying. Next important opportunity from the Discover Dollar, they are hiring the analytics AI engineer intern, and these will be your roles and responsibility. So you will basically design and implement robust scalable data pipeline using PySpark, Python, Polars, and GenAI. So if you have skills in these things, then you should apply for this job role, and you should have knowledge of object oriented programming, especially in Python and Databricks, and must have these skills. Okay, nice to have these all skills. So if you are the freshers also, then you should apply, and this is also a wonderful opportunity for all of you. Coming to next important opportunity from the RedBlink, they are hiring for the Java developer, content writer, modern stack developer, UI UX developer. So 2026 pass out batch are also eligible. So they are just looking for fresher. And friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can you can basically subscribe us. Okay, and if you are the candidates, especially if the 2026 pass out, then I will suggest work on your basics and work on all the things, because soon lots of mass hiring will be announced. Currently Deloitte hiring is going on, and further Cognizant ka hiring, TCS hiring will be out. Okay, so I've already provided you the update related to NQT. Soon registration will start, and whenever it will start, I will provide you the update. And if you have been selected for mock for interview to any company, then I will suggest, means if you want, you can fill our mock interview form. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask your comment there. I feel very happy to help you. And coming to last important hiring, that is for 2025 pass out. And if you are from the MC or BSc background, then you are eligible for this. So these are the required skills. And if you have these all skills, then I will suggest share your resume to this mail ID. So I regularly post lots of important job updates in my YouTube channel. So for that, you can subscribe us. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask your comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.